to sing though.
Near, far, wherever you are, I believe. She's like Jack. You are my heart, will. Jack, look out. Jack, I can't see. Jack.
Cold, Jack.
I'm so cold.
No, you're so cold, Jack.
Jack, they're here. Alright, so we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing.
Oh no.
No, okay.
No,
do it. Okay, so let's unbox.
I want to see. Should I? Oh, is that how you do it?
What?
Can you see? You can't see it in it.
I was just looking at myself.
Okay, but you're gonna. Okay, because I thought you wanted to.
So this is the first little parcel. I'm wrapping it. Oh my god. Girl, she know I love them hoops. Oh my god. Oh, thank you so much.
Yes, girl.
Or is these rings?
They're rings, baby. They're rings. I couldn't correct it. It's my birthday.
How big do you think my thumbs are? Can't lie.
No.
Some jewelry necklace, right?
It's a necklace.
Oh, I might wear this one. I know. What? No. She finna trying it. She's trying to get me to pass out. She got me a fucking cookie shirt. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, no. And I didn't even get her anything. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna wear this every day. I'm gonna wear this. Oh my god, I'm gonna wear this today. Oh my gosh, wow. And then a card. Oh my god. Oh, there's one more. There's something. Oh. Oh. Rose, what? Oh, sorry. I'm just. Are you trying to get me to get my nose pierced? Is this what this is?
You donkey.
Oh, these earrings.
Yes.
These. Okay.
I hope they're
These ones are earrings. These are so cute, and she all got them in freaking rose gold, which is so pretty. Happy birthday, guys! Oh, thank you. Let me have a sip.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you.
I guess jackets are staying on. Dead red zombies? Us too. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, wow. Thank you.
We can do it better though. We can do it better.
Well, we can do it.
We can get it to stay if we're lucky. It's just the wind outside.
Move away, please.
Oh.
It's the only place we're living. It's the West Coast easy when it's always summertime.
Me, thank you.
Whenever you're ready, just put the liquid inside the book.
Okay.
It's been turning kind of
Wait a
gray
couple of minutes. We need to stop.
in Southern
Okay, wait.
California.
1, 2, 3.
But I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria?
It's not gonna go the same. It is. Yes, it is.
I'm too excited. Y'all nigga with the palm trees. It's all or nothing.
Yeah, one job. Oh. Every time, bro. It's because you're putting careful with me. It's not a warning. Oh no, it is a warning. Be careful with me. Oh no, it's not a threat, it's a warning. I got it. I got the lyric right now. Be careful with me.
Yes.
The alcohol has kicked in. Look, I'm about to chug it down. Everyone say chug, 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 yeah? Guys, say chug. I'm gonna chug it down, yeah?
Chug, 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 chug.
No, because you won't see the color changing if you put them together, yeah? So blue one first, then clear one, you'll see how the color changes.
Did you want to record or?
Oh wait, I didn't even hear you, sorry.
This is why we are.
I know this is it's old man Aaron. Like, you get what I mean?
Easy with it.